In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp AI features. ClickUp is an incredibly powerful productivity platform that helps teams stay organized and get work done more efficiently. But did you know that it also comes with built-in AI tools to make your workflow even smoother? Whether you need to write, improve, summarize, or organize your content, ClickUp AI can handle it all. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through how to access and use these features effectively so you can save time and get the most out of your projects. First, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, navigate to the area where you want to work. This could be a task, a document, or even a whiteboard, wherever you need to get things done. It's best to choose a real project or task to follow along with so that the results you generate are practical and immediately useful. Next, locate the AI icon in the toolbar. It's easy to spot, and once you click on it, the AI panel will open up. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can choose the specific AI feature you want to use. Let me explain some of the options available. If you're creating new content or polishing existing text, you can use the write or improve text features. For example, if you have a rough draft of an idea, the AI can help refine it into a polished paragraph. If you're working with longer content and need a quick overview, the summarize feature provides a concise and clear summary. If you have notes or discussion points that need to be turned into actionable tasks, simply select Generate Action Items, and the AI will organize them for you. And finally, to clean up grammar or spelling mistakes, use the Fix Spelling and Grammar tool to make sure your writing is error-free. Once you've chosen a feature, it's time to provide context. You can do this by typing a prompt or highlighting the text you want the AI to work on. For example, if you're improving a paragraph, highlight it and the AI will know exactly where to focus. The more details you provide, the better the output will be. Add information such as your project goals, the target audience, and the tone you're aiming for, whether it's professional, casual, or something in between. These details help the AI tailor its suggestions to fit your needs. After the AI generates its suggestions, take a moment to review them. Look carefully to ensure the content is accurate, complete, and relevant to your project. This is especially important for facts, dates, and responsibilities. Double-check these to make sure everything is correct before moving forward. When you're happy with the AI's suggestions, click Insert to add the content into your document or Replace to update existing text. From there, you can fine-tune the output as needed, adjust the language, add extra details, or format the text to match your team's style. This way, the final product feels natural and perfectly aligned with your vision. You can repeat this process as often as needed. Use these AI tools across multiple tasks, documents, or brainstorming sessions to maximize your efficiency. And don't forget, you can also combine features. For instance, you might summarize your meeting notes first and then use the Generate Action Items feature to create tasks from that summary. The possibilities are endless. If you're new to ClickUp and don't yet have an account, you'll find a link in the description to sign up. It's quick, easy, and a great way to start taking advantage of these powerful AI features. And that's it. Using ClickUp AI is simple, intuitive, and a huge time saver once you get the hang of it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.